Before this video about the new secret 5x points category begins, I need you to do me a favor. This is a very short video, so I shot it in half the speed, and in order for you to watch it normally, just click on the settings button and select playback speed 2x. I'll let you know when to do that. I'm doing this because YouTube's algorithm doesn't really love short videos, and since we're on the topic of YouTube's algorithm, hitting the like button will also help me a lot. Thank you. By the way, I got this idea from PewDiePie. Go subscribe to PewDiePie after you finish watching this video in its entirety though. I'm doing my part, PewDiePie. Brofist or whatever it is. Anyway, if you don't know who PewDiePie is, he's only the biggest YouTuber ever with over 80 million subscribers. Okay, now back to the video. Hey guys, my name is Rami and welcome to Pointers. My goal for this channel is to help you earn and redeem as many points as possible to upgrade your travels for little to no money. So if you're interested in travel hacking and or travel, then please consider subscribing. I'll also share a lot of trip reports and reviews of first and business class flights from around the world, as well as some travel vlogs. You can also download my free 10-step travel hacking guide in the description below. So as you may already know, Citi announced some benefits changes to the Citi Prestige last year, and most of them went into effect on January 4th of 2019. The two biggest ones are the 5x points on airfare and dining, and also the awesome change they made to the $250 airline credit, which is now changed to a general $250 travel credit, meaning that any travel purchase will be eligible for this credit. The change on the 4th free night benefit going from unlimited to twice per year is still not in effect. That will take place in September of 2019. Also, just so you know, the card is still not available for new applicants. It will be available at the end of this month. Now let's talk about the secret 5x points category. Everyone only talks about the 5x points on airfare and dining, but recently I saw a post from Greg the Frequent Miler saying how he's excited about 5x points on airfare, dining, and travel agencies. And I was like, what travel agencies? And I commented on that post. So he pointed me to a footnote number 1 on the Citi Prestige website. On their website, they're only advertising 5x on airfare and 5x on restaurants. But when you scroll down to the footnotes, here's what it says. Beginning 1/4/2019, Citi Prestige card members will earn 5 thank you points for each $1 spent on purchases at airlines and travel agencies. That's very interesting. I don't generally recommend booking hotels through travel agencies like Expedia and stuff because Let's say you have elite status with Hilton, for example. When you book through a third party like a travel agency, the hotel doesn't recognize your status and you won't get the benefits that come with that status, like late checkout, room upgrades, and free breakfast. However, this might be a good option to book non-points hotels like small boutique hotels or something where you don't have status anyway, and you can earn 5 times points on that hotel stay instead of the 3x points which Citi Prestige offers on hotel purchases. So that's it for this video, guys. Let me know what you think of this bonus category in the comments and why you think it's not broadly advertised. Thank you for watching. Check out my Instagram and Twitter. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if this is your first time here, please subscribe and hit the bell button, because every week I'm publishing videos that help you earn a ton of credit card points and frequent flyer miles that will enable you to travel the world for little to no money.